here guys, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Enjoy the rest of your day and be careful on the internet. Don't trust people on social media too much because they can be scams, which I just had that experience yesterday. And I hope you enjoy this video. I just had a backlog today, so I do apologise for that, and I hope you enjoyed my content, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Make sure you check out my other videos as well. Peace. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.